This is my DK bike check. Here we go. I'm going to go back to the front. Back to front. Okay. In the back we got a Kenda tire. It's kind of like street, park, and dirt, or trail, tread. Stock gold back rim. Custom DK Flyforks. DK white team frame, KMC chain, duo rogue status white and black seat, Colony stump seat post. Well, it wasn't a stump, but I cut it down. Mirko 3 seat clamp, DK plastic pedals in black. They kind of look gray, but they're black. They're like that. Alright, stock cranks. I'm going to get some new ones. And I'm going to also get a new sprocket. I'm going to get something pretty cool. 25 tooth DK sprocket. I think I already said the chain, but it's a KMC chain. New Sub Rosa bar ends in white. Pretty nice. Really, really light and strong. Hold up. Odyssey Sunday. They go on the Sunday bike, but I put it on my DK. Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. The keyboard ones is pretty nice. They're really grippy. They're like amazing. See the keyboard? These actually go down. Push on. Yeah. Sunday Triumph bars in black, glossy, really nice, really, really light. This is one of my favorite things that I got a couple of days, or today actually. It's like hollowed out in the inside, everywhere, hollowed out everywhere. It's crazy. It only weighs like I think 8.7 ounces. I got it off, or 8.5 ounces off of Dan's Comp. Really nice. Only $35. Same old headset. Stock front rim. Stock spokes. Oh yeah, the back one's stock spokes too. Stock hubs, front and back. 9 drive in the back. I don't run brakes, so that takes off time on the video. Alright. Oh yeah, sorry. Got new valve caps too. Forgot to add that in because the other ones kind of got grinded down. But yep, thank you guys.